Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious Mai Tai. First, gather your ingredients: 2 ounces of rum, 0. 75 ounces of fresh lime juice, 0. 5 ounces of orange curaçao, and 0. 5 ounces of orgeat syrup. Having everything ready makes the mixing process smooth and enjoyable. Ensure your lime juice is freshly squeezed for the brightest taste, as this truly elevates the cocktail. Now let's mix. In a shaker, combine 1 ounce of aged rum and 1 ounce of white rum. Add 0. 75 ounces of fresh lime juice, 0. 5 ounces of orange curaçao, and 0. 5 ounces of orgeat syrup. Fill the shaker with ice, then shake vigorously for about 15 seconds until thoroughly chilled. This ensures all flavors are perfectly blended. Once shaken, strain your Mai Tai into a chilled glass. Traditionally, a double old-fashioned glass works best. Fill the glass completely with fresh crushed ice, creating a beautiful mound. For the perfect finish, garnish with a vibrant mint sprig and a fresh lime wedge. This presentation makes the drink even more inviting. For an even better Mai Tai, consider experimenting with various rum blends. A mix of Jamaican and Martinique rums often yields fantastic results. You can also adjust the amount of orgeat or curaçao to suit your preferred sweetness level. Always serve your Mai Tai immediately after preparation to enjoy its refreshing coolness and vibrant flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.